Hello, my name is Shehryar, and today I am going to talk about the Tubebuddy software. So, if you are new to the YouTube and you just want to grow on it, it's very difficult to do it without the Tubebuddy software because the understanding the algorithms and the concepts of the YouTube at the start is very difficult. So with the TubeBuddy, you could actually find out that which type of content, which type of tags, which type of description, and which type of other things, thumbnail, photo, topics you should choose for your YouTube channel. There are many features on the TubeBuddy software, and each of them is cool and it's good in its own function. However, apart from many features, I would just like to talk about the two amazing features of the TubeBuddy. So the first one is the Keyword Explorer. With the help of the Keyword Explorer, you could actually find out a best keyword according to the weight of your channel and according to the position of your channel in the YouTube. So you would just type a keyword regarding your content, and it would give you a list of options, and it could give you a score even, and if the score ranges from like 1 to 100. So if the score is good, which actually indirectly means that yes, that kind of keyword is good for your channel. If the score is bad or poor, it actually indirectly tells you that do not use this kind of the keyword for your content. Apart from that, the second feature which I like the most, and I think everybody would love it, is the SEO, search engine optimization. So it takes you through a process of different tasks and different things, and it tells you that what to add, what to remove, and what other things you should consider for your title and for your description, and what other common tags you can also use for your content. So if you just do these two things, like the first one is the Keyword Explorer and the second one is the search engine optimization for your channel, it's very obvious that that content or that specific kind of video on which you use the TubeBuddy things would grow, and actually you would get lots of views and subscriptions for that content. So I just wanted all of you to just give it a try and have a fun.